Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the live server extension is installed, then open VSCode settings JSON. That's the only reliable place to change the Go Live browser. Once done, locate or add the setting named Live Server. Settings, Custom Browser. You do this because the GUI control doesn't persist a custom browser reliably. Editing settings. JSON gives a deterministic, repeatable preference. Make sure to know the exact browser identifier string. For example, use Chrome, Firefox, or Edge depending on your system. You now edit settings. JSON directly. Open Command Palette, run Preferences, open Settings, JSON, and insert or update this line, Live Server. Settings. Custom Browser. Chrome, replacing Chrome with your target browser. Do this because Live Server reads that key to launch the chosen browser when you click Go Live. After saving, close any running live server instances and start Go Live again so the extension reads the new value. If you use a custom path or profile, embed that token exactly as required by your OS. You finish by restarting live server and clicking Go Live to verify the selected browser opens. If it doesn't, inspect the extension output panel for errors and double-check the exact token in settings. JSON, mismatched names are the usual culprit. Once confirmed, make sure no other extensions override the launch behavior. If problems persist, temporarily remove other live server-related keys in settings. JSON and try again. That isolates conflicts, so you can reproduce a clean launch in your chosen browser.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.